Who are school leaders? There are many leaders in a school. Leaders help people. Leaders should be fair. Let's meet some leaders. A principal is a school leader. Principals help teachers, parents, and students. A teacher is a school leader. Teachers help students learn. A librarian is a school leader. Librarians help people find books. A dining service manager is a school leader. Dining service managers help people follow rules. A hall monitor is a school leader. Hall monitors help students get from place to place. They also help students follow rules. A student can be a school leader. Students help other students follow the rules. There are many leaders in schools. They help groups work together and follow rules. Do you know your school leaders?